Hi everyone, today I have some very good news. I just got my 10-year-old Boy Scout shorts from the tailor. I had this repaired because I had this stitched because unfortunately the fabric wasn't anymore doing well. It wasn't anymore comfortable, so I had this in a way restored. So I can wear this again. So just to have a look, this is how old it is. There's even the logo of the Boy Scouts logo in here. Yep. And let me flip this over to the side. Yep. Look, this is how old it is. Yes. I this this shorts really gives back lots of good memories from my old scouting days when I was a kid, and now I'm so happy that I was able to restore it. There's actually a story. Most of you may be wondering why is there a cord stitch here. Actually, there's a story behind this. I my shorts actually broke. In fact, you can even see there's some details here that there were there's signs of wear and tear. Also, this one here. Yes, and also this one. Unfortunately, the tailor forgot to have this stitched, so I'm not sure if I will have this brought back to the tailor, but I don't think that anymore. I don't think I'll still have to bring this back. So this is actually broke. What you're seeing is actually a restored version of my shorts because this broke when I was this was torn apart when I think 8 years ago or 6 years ago. I already forgot. So I had this restored. That's why I have this markings in here. It's not. It has a colored brand, but this really gives back lots of good memories. So anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.